Hey everyone, it's Bo here with Square Scrub, the people who are passionate about floors. Today we're at a local church in Jonesboro, Arkansas to tackle one of the most difficult carpet problems: spots and spills on carpet. You know, spots and spills are challenging for a number of reasons. First, they're challenging because every time you come in and extract, they seem to appear. You know, carpet dries through capillary action. That's the upward flow of moisture through the carpet pile. Inevitably, that carpet drying process brings some of the spots that you see on the carpet from the back to the tips of the piles. So how do you address that? Secondly, addressing it with detergent leaves residue typically, and that residue attracts soil off of shoes. So carpet spots can be incredibly difficult to deal with. At Square Scrub, we have solutions in our pivot that can be used with encapsulation detergent. Encapsulation detergent is a great solution because it actually encapsulates the soil and holds it away from the carpet pile so that it can be removed in the vacuuming process. So we're going to see how we take care of this Sunday school room and get rid of these carpet spots for this church. Let's take a look at the Square Scrub products in action. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your encapsulant in a pump sprayer and you're going to spray the spots. The reason we want to do that, we want to give it 5 to 10 minutes to kind of sit and get loosening up the soil from the carpet fibers. Spray the pad. And then we're going to start cleaning. Use a solution tank to re-wet the pad as needed.